So, how to buy Pumpy? You can buy Pumpy either from the homepage or from the app. So let's go to the app for now. To buy Pumpy, you need to click Buy PMP and the PancakeSwap website will open, which is the exchange where PMP is traded. Here you need to confirm to add a token, to add a smart contract for the token. You can open the address of the smart contract and copy the address to the clipboard. Confirm here, continue, and so now you can buy it. To use the PancakeSwap, you must have a MetaMask wallet or some other wallet which is configured to use with Binance Smart Chain. We will have a separate video for that. So press Connect button, select MetaMask, confirm, and the PancakeSwap is already connected to our wallet. So let's buy some PMP and let's, for example, spend 0.01 BMP. Click swap. Here it shows how much we will get at the current rate. Confirm the transaction in the wallet. So here is your transaction. You can look at it at BSC scan, which is the Binance Smart Chain Explorer. The transaction is confirmed. And now let's refresh the balance and you can see we have some PMP. And accordingly, you can sell PMP token the same way. I will show you again how you can. Oh, it's already added. Oh yes, it doesn't allow us because it's added. In general, you can add the PMP directly by just using a smart contract address. To sell PMP, you need to do approve. This is to allow your wallet to interact with the smart contract and debit the wallet. You only need to do this request once. So now the transaction is approved and the interface will update the button. The swap button is now available and now we can do the swap selling Pumpy. The transaction is confirmed and the balance will be updated in a little while. Here you can see the history of all your transactions.